Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial, we're gonna focus on some popular Austrian soft drinks. We cover some famous brands, as well as general names for drinks. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know some soft drinks that are common in Austria. We start with the real classics when it comes to lemonades in Austria, the so-called Kracherl. Usually the Kracherl is a raspberry lemonade and has been served in Austria for decades. Another famous Austrian drink is called Almdudler. Almdudler is a lemonade with Alpine herbs and spices. To some extent it can be compared with ginger ale. The Almdudler slogan is "Wann die kein Oimdudler haum, geh wieder haum," which means if they don't have an Almdudler, I'll go back home. Additionally, Bombe is a well-known lemonade brand in Austria. The most common flavors of the Bombe are orange and lemon. Furthermore, many Austrians will order an Apfelsaft gespritzt or an Orangensaft gespritzt. Apfelsaft gespritzt is an apple juice mixed with water or soda. The advantage is that it is not so sweet, but more refreshing. Of course, we should not forget Austria's most valuable brand, Red Bull. Red Bull is famous for its sponsoring and its mixture of caffeine and vitamins. In this video, we covered drinks like Kracherl, Almdudler, Bombe, Apfelsaft gespritzt, and Red Bull. I hope you're a bit more familiar with some typical Austrian drinks. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial.